Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance T&J Sweet Rebellions. The song is Take Control. The artist is DMX featuring Snoop Dogg, and the choreographers are Janine Morris, and Miss TANN. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in learning the step-by-step instructions to this dance, I'll post it at the end. And last but not least, please join Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself at the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens June 1st, 2023 of this year. You can book your room right now at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go.
Wake up, wake up.
Get up.
Get up, get up.
I got something for you, baby.
Wake up, wake up.
Okay.
Oh, baby, let's get down tonight.
You know some sex right there, baby. Yeah. That's it.
Cause when I get that feeling,
Talk to me.
I can tell you, darling, don't take control of my body and mind. I need some love.
Look here, you can come with the girl. Got them flying in from LA, Hawaii, yo.
And there you go, T&J Sweet Rebellions. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. You can book your room right now at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.